Welcome to Feed Your Family for Less. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious barbecue pulled pork stuffed baked potato. It's so simple to make and very satisfying. Start by preheating your oven to 450 degrees. Wash and dry your potatoes. Using a fork, poke the potatoes a few times. Place the potatoes in the oven. Cook them for 45 minutes. Season it on all sides with sea salt, black pepper, and adobo seasoning. Add a little bit of oil to a super hot pan. Gently place the roast in the pan and sear it on all sides. Then add your chicken broth. You want the chicken stock to cover half of the roast. Bring it to a simmer. Add some Sweet Baby Ray's and cover it. Now it's time to get back to the potatoes. Brush on some olive oil. Season with black pepper, Aegean sea salt, and adobo seasoning. Place the potatoes back in the oven. These were rather large potatoes, so they needed another 25 minutes to cook. You can test it by poking it with a fork. The pork is ready when you reach an internal temperature of right around 200 degrees. Allow the potatoes and the pork to cool down before handling them. Use 2 forks pulling in opposite directions. You can also use a paddle attachment in a stand mixer. Add a generous amount of Sweet Baby Ray's sweet and spicy barbecue sauce. Don't be afraid to spice it up a little. Hit it with some Texas Pete's. Stir it up and adjust your seasoning if necessary. Slice the potatoes lengthwise. Then squeeze them to open them up. Generously stuff the potatoes with the pulled pork. Cover with whatever cheese you like. Place the potatoes back in the oven until the cheese is melted. Next, I'm going to make a refreshing topping, which consists of cilantro, hot peppers, tomatoes, and red onion, and just a hint of lime juice. You can top your potatoes with whatever you like, but this combination cuts through the richness of the pork and the starch in the potato. When all your ingredients are cut, season it with some fine sea salt, fresh cracked pepper, and a little adobo seasoning. Oh my God, would you look at those potatoes? You know you want one. Serve it with any sides you like. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe below. Thank you.